Guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we have another sponsored video by another LED light company, so let's dive right into it and stay tuned for the entire video because there will be a awesome giveaway at the end of the video. Alright guys, today's video is sponsored by Autoone. It's an LED light manufacturing company. Autoone was nice enough to send us a sample of their LED lights, and we're going to be installing them on this quick video here. As you guys can see, the construction of them, solid piece, built-in fans here for cooling. These are pure white LEDs, roughly around 5.5 6,000 Kelvin, so it's going to be a nice white pure output, and it's going to make this vehicle that we're installing it on look very nice because we're going from halogen to LED, which is a very nice upgrade. So guys, give Autoone a like on this video, give them a follow on their social media platforms, and stay tuned for the end of the video where I'm going to have all the details on how to win the giveaway. Alright guys, 2013 Toyota Corolla basic halogen lights. Here we go, we're going to turn them on right now. There you go. It is pretty bad. We're going to change one out, compare before and after. Pretty easy install. Alright guys, so I thought they sent me out headlight bulbs, but they actually sent me out the high beam bulbs, not the low beam bulbs. So we're going to be changing the high beams, and as you can see over here, the difference is much greater. And you can see that clearly on the wall as well.
You want me to twist the lights on first?
Yeah.
With the high beams?
And just keep them on, keep the high beams on. So you push them forward to turn them on and keep them on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they look great. Probably gonna perform really well. Nice lighting output with the Kelvin color. We're gonna reach out to the manufacturer and try to see if they can send us out the low beams. That's again essentially what I thought I was getting, because that's what you drive on all the time. But overall, pretty happy with the results. Nice bright output. So if you guys are interested in these lights, give them a go. Go check them out at Autoone.com. So actually these are daytime running lights as well, so at least that looks better when it's just driving with the daytime running lights. And again, you guys probably are not picking it up well through the camera. It's flashing, but I assure you it's not flashing. Now you're probably wondering about this bad boy as well. This is a nice Amazon spotlight right here, another sponsorship we are doing right here. Rechargeable battery, 1000 lumens LED lights, and pretty cool features. You got a nice little stand if you have an emergency with your vehicle on the side of the road. This is something you definitely want. Nice bright setting, a low setting, and as well as the side profile has a nice bright white light setting, a dim profile, and it comes with a couple cool features. We'll show you that right over here, boys and girls. So let's take a look at how bright this light actually is. I mean, it's massive. It's a huge spotlight right here. That's the dim setting right here, and it also has a strobe light feature, as you can see. And the side profile actually has a cool little police feature here as well, just to get your attention or just play some pranks on your friends. But yeah, it has a few features. This is the side profile feature. This would be great for vlogging with lighting here. The dim feature. So definitely check that out as well. Amazon, link in the description. And together we're making this happen. Alright guys, let's talk about the giveaway for a little bit. We teamed up with Autoone and we're choosing 5 winners to win their LED lighting. So we're gonna have all the details in the description below of this video, but in summary, you gotta subscribe to the channel. You gotta go follow me on Instagram. Comment down below your make, model, year of your vehicle. And if you have a specific light that you guys want, like whether it's reverse lights, turn signals, LED headlights, high beams, low beams, just comment that down below. For the most part, I'm guessing we're going to be sending out LED headlight bulbs. Unless, again, you want something specific. But easy entry, winners are going to get selected. 5 of you guys are going to have brand new LED lights thanks to Autoone. So again, thanks for watching, everyone. Comment down below and go ahead, enter to win.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater